Maybe.
We're live.
We're live. Okay. Hey, everybody. It's Keely reporting to you live from Soul with a Kiss. Lots to tell you about today. First of all, most important thing I know everybody's excited about is Thursday. Thursday it happens. The 24 Days of SWAK starts Thursday, December 1st. Those of you who know what I'm talking about are already going, yay. If you're like, what's this crazy girl going on and on about? Starting on Thursday. Well, it's something we started a long time ago. A long time ago. Mason was like, here, and every day, December 1st to 24th, we have a blog post, and we've gone with video blogs the last couple of years. Everybody's really enjoyed them. It'll be on our website. Just look for the link, 24 Days of SWAK. You have to go in and check every day, because every day we give away stuff. We give away amazing stuff. We have so many cool stuff to share with you. It's not just about the giveaways. I think you're going to really like all the content that we put together for you. We've been working really hard. Get ready for it. It's a lot of work, but you guys love it, so we just keep it coming. So Thursday, the countdown is on. Do not miss a day or you'll be sad. Last week, told you about our really exciting news about how our friend Shawndalynn had won a trip to Uruguay. We just have to raise the money for her airfare. She's disabled and has, does not have the assets, the resources to do that. Uruguay airfare is quite expensive. We started GoFundMe. I'm happy to report, although we still have a long ways to go, we've already raised about a fourth of what she needs. The airfare actually wound up being almost $2,000. But between our GoFundMe and we've actually put a little jar out on the counter for her, we've got quite a bit there as well. And so if you would like to help our friend get to Uruguay, please consider doing that. She's going to actually put some stuff together to sell, and she's got a lot of ideas of things that she can do to help scrape the money together, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for someone who normally would never get to go past Oklahoma City. So very, very exciting for her. What else is going on? We've had a lot going on. It's been a busy week. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. We were super busy this weekend. Tis the season. We are busy. Probably wondering all these boxes are. I think they're wondering what the boxes are. We got stuff. We got stuff to show you. First of all, I missed this one. This kind of came in, I don't know when it came in. Since last Tuesday, it was kind of it's been crazy, but we've been waiting on this. It's been released. Don't look at my nails. I'm going to go get those done soon. That's on the agenda, maybe tonight. Kim Hargreaves. This is the final book. She's done after this. I don't know what she's going to do, but this is the last book she's publishing, and it's a good one. It's a big one. It's a very big book, full of some of her best work, I think, yet. Featuring Rowan yarns. So if you've been waiting for us to get this on the shelf, it's here. And it's beautiful. Isn't it nice? Nice stuff from Kim Hargreaves. Such classic designs. So don't miss out. Final book. And if you are a Kim Hargreaves fan and are missing some of her previous books, you better get them, because they're all going out of print. At this point, there's no plans to take them digital, but you never know. Right now, they're only available in print. Let's see here. Let's see what's in this bag. Don't get excited, is what I say this. It's some new Chiaogoo stuff. No, it's not the Forte needles. We're still waiting on those. Don't get me started on that. We do hope that they're going to be here. The timing is by the middle of December if you have been waiting, and they're still going to be really hard to get. We might have a few sets available. We might not. We'll see. Okay, these are cool if you are a Chiaogoo needle person. These are little toolkits. They had them for the minis that help you have all the stuff you need to go back and forth between the different sizes. But this is a small, large toolkit, and it has like the adapters and little stoppers to go back and forth between the small and large. So you can see the little connectors in there. That way, if you have small tips and large cables or vice versa, you can make it all work. It has a little tightening thing. So these are cute. I like the way they come in little tins. So this is a new little product from them. So we've been waiting a while on all of these. Shorties fans, if you're a Twist Shorty fan, you like the super short needles, the yellow sets are here. These are the larger tips. This is going to have 4 sets of tips, sizes 9 through 11, which is the 10.5. And instead of the red cables, this has the new 360 swivel cables and some other goodies for you. These do not make circulars as short as the other Shorties. They're still short, but they're not that short. They only have the 1 size tip. They didn't do the 2-inch tips. They just did the 3, where the other sets have both the 2 and 3, and they have 6 and 8-inch cables. So That would be a 12 and a 14 inch is what you make with these. So they're still shorter than your standard 16 inch, but if you think you're gonna get exactly the same lengths as you do with the other shorty sets, no, you do not. Like I said, they just have the one tip length. That's probably why. So those are here. I know a lot of people have been waiting on those. What else we got here? I don't know what that is. Oh, these little swatch gauges. Kind of remind me of the Audi ones, but a little bit bigger and flatter, that go from size 2 through 15. It's not a comprehensive size gauge. It's just a smaller one. And it has a little corner gauge. Those are really nice for taking your gauge. Nice to stick in your bag. They now have scissors, little stainless steel scissors. So that means they're good quality. Let's see what these feel like. Ooh, these feel nice. So if you're looking for a nice little snippy snip pair, Chiaogoo can help you out. These are little 3.5 inch scissors. And measuring tape, a little tape measure. I haven't even opened this stuff up yet. We've been too busy, haven't we? Just trying to get it all on the web. All is on the website. I've already done that. I've been busy this morning. It's a lot of work to do, but we do it because we love you. That kind of bit. Yeah, so it's just a nice little white mesh deal with both inches and centimeters on it. Okay, that's the Chiaogoo stuff. I'll move that over. We'll get to the big boxes in a minute. A few more things from Cocoknits. They now have this nice little set of 6 emery boards, which I could really use, except I'm getting ready to get these nails done. That's on the list of things to do. I can't make any more videos till before get my nails done. Been too busy. And so these are nice, not just for this purpose, but sometimes like maybe your wood cable needles or something get a little snag. You can file them down. And another part of their sweater care set. We showed you the sweater brushes a while back. This is now the sweater comb. Boy, that's nice. I feel like wow. Don't you feel like I'm gonna cut you? No, but it's not like that. But it is really nice. This is to get the pills off sweaters. And this is a really nice quality one. Cool. This is better than that old little we have. We're gonna up our game. Yeah, this is really cool. So that's the new fuzz off comb, because even your good yarns, I'm sorry, there's always some short fibers that work their way out. You need one if you're using natural fibers. Okay, let's get to the big boxes. Which one are we gonna do first, Jeannie? Here. Let's do here. Let's do here.
These are the fun ones.
Well, those are fun too. They're all fun. But Jeannie gets more excited about these. Yes. Okay, more kits from Hardicraft. The little crochet kits. We sell these like crazy. We have some new things, including the mini snowman. Isn't he cute? He's tiny, and all the little stuff comes in these kits, except for all you need is a crochet hook. You don't need anything else, or a knitting needle.
Bunny.
Little bunny. That's for baby. These are nice too. They're almost like a little blanket animal. That's what's that called? Sunny elephant. That one's new too. I think the new ones are on top. A turtle. That one's crochet. We've been going back and forth with knit and crochet here. Oh, this is knit. The frog. And the zebra. There's something else new in here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Rudolph. You like the Norwegian spelling? I left it, cool. Rudolph. He's the real deal, man. He's from where they have reindeer. And I think everything else is what we've had before, but I'll show you just in case. You might miss them. We have the knit bear, another little knit bear. I'm making a mess. Crochet hippo, 2 of those. These are more mini snowmen. I knew you guys would want those. They're cute. That's the bunny. We saw that. The frog. A lot of these are repeats. I'll get those out of here. Oh, we had sold out of these, but they're back in stock. You might have seen in the Christmas car. Awesome. Yeah, those are really popular. So more of those have arrived just in time. You have plenty of time to make those. They don't take long. We saw the bear. Oh, Polycat. She's crocheting. I'm making a really big mess. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to dig in. Mermaid, monkey, more cacti, another one of the most popular ones. Oh, and we saw the elephant. That was the blanket. This is the bunny. Those are knit. So like I said, they're mostly crochet, but there's definitely a lot of knit stuff too. Like here's the pig. She's knit. The mouse is crochet. Usually knitters get left out on this deal, don't they? It's usually the other way around. So crocheters get started instead. But there are more crochet kits than knit kits. But the knit kits that they have are very, very nice. Okay, that was a huge mess. Okay, I'm going to throw this on the floor. And I'll just move this over here. We're going to relocate. Ooh, that table's dirty. Hold on, now you guys get to see how the sausage is made. Boxes are dirty. We don't want to get our, watch me clean. It's a real life video here. Nothing staged, as you can see. Okay, let me lug this box over here. Watch Keely pull her back. Okay, these are more bags from Clea Ray. As you guys love these bags, so do we. I don't think this is actually a Clea Ray. When I was going through these yesterday, Shawndalynn was here. She goes, one of these things is not like the other. Well, they had this cool little skull coin purse. I meant to order more than one, but I thought, oh, that's fun. I'm not sure what brand it is, but we threw it in the mix. Okay, reorders on this one. American Rambler bag. They do a lot with bicycles. If you have bicycle people, these all have straps. I just don't have them on there yet. Floral. Deer, wild and free vintage. A lot of vintage stuff. These are the ones made with recycled like tents and tarps and canvases, so they're all recycled. Vintage Map Company. Floral. This one's new. It's a postcard. Another deer. Some will have like the cowhide trim. Ooh, this one's new, Jeannie. Mm-hmm. I bought a lot of new bags. That's what took me so long today, get them all added. Some color. It says, I'm not even gonna try. La Belle Royale has a bee on it. Bees are really hot right now. Mm-hmm. Patience, peace, patience, kindness, goodness. That just is not me, is it? I'm the opposite of it. I'm noisy and impatient, so yeah. I could carry that bag all day long and it wouldn't help me at all. Okay, on that one. That one's pretty. Some are just nice prints. I thought this one was cool. The Farm Fresh. Cute. And the Star bag. Mm-hmm. Some of the smaller bags. These always sell fast, the little 66 bags. I've got more. Think these are going to all fall off the table? Probably. Wouldn't be a great box opening if we didn't have stuff falling on the table. Okay, a new Route 66 bag. This one's new.
Oh, that's
the
cute.
Backpack. Isn't it cute in the color? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it says, it kind of has the wings, like Harley. Freedom, America's Main Street. That's a cool bag. And then we've had this one before, but it's a great style too. I like the colors on it. That has more of your traditional logo. Nice messenger bag with fleur-de-lis. And again, these all have like detachable handles. You wouldn't want to carry it around like this. They're in there. Oh, I always like this bag. Airmail. Another bee. Age to Perfection. Line. This has got kind of a tapestry print. It's pretty. Oh, this one's new. I like this. It'll look better when we have it stuffed out. But look, it's round. I like shapes. Isn't that cool? It's like a canteen bag. Mm-hmm. Well, and it's got, look, the fabric's different on each side. Oh, cool. And last but not least, it's a nice brown flower tote. These have a really good price point on them. Make great gifts. You can't have too many bags, but of course, you know, we're all a bunch of bag ladies around here. What else going on, Jeannie? Just busy, tired and busy. Party? What? Oh yeah, we've got parties coming up. I think I told you guys about those last week. This weekend, December 3rd is Victorian Walk. Previously, it was always just an evening affair. I think starting at 4-ish, going on till usually 9. But this year they've made it all day. Not sure how that's going to work exactly. It's really, to me, a nighttime event. I mean, come and shop during the day, but I think all the cool stuff's still at night. I'll be here because everybody else is leaving me this weekend. They all have other things. Jeannie, look at Jeannie laughing behind the camera. Yeah, everybody had something suddenly come up. So it's just me and my friend Shawndalynn, and she's going to be here selling some of her bags and hats that she's been making to try to raise money for her airfare. And so it's just going to be the two of us. But we'll be here. It'll be a long day. We may look really tired. We won't be dressed in Victorian clothes. I'm sorry. When I'm that tired, when I put on that I have Victorian dress. I put it on because I'm not very coordinated. I just have to kind of stand here. I couldn't, do anything, could I? I would be knocked. Yeah, the whole store would be knocked down. Mm-hmm. I do not have the delicacy. It's a good thing I wasn't born back then. I'd have had to be a call girl or something. A smaller dress, an appropriate dress. And then the following Saturday, it's not this Saturday, but 2 Saturdays from now, going to be Victorian Walk Take 2. However, we are going to have one heck of a party that afternoon, starting at when I told you guys about it. It's our happiest Christmas party. Kind of got that from the this Christmas Vacation movie, my favorite movie. Yeah, I've been really into that movie lately. And so we're going to have this whole theme party. It's so cool. We're going to have 2 Aunt Bethanys. I remember the name this time. 2 Aunt Bethanys, an Ellen. I get to be Clark, and we keep hoping Cousin Eddie's going to show up. We're trying to convince Jeannie's husband he's like the perfect stature for Cousin Eddie, but we told him he didn't have to wear the bathrobe. He could wear the sweater with a dickie showing underneath it, but he's still not biting. No. Yeah, my husband won't bite on that either. So we're going to hope somebody, Cousin Eddie appears at our party. It's going to be fun. We'll have a lot of really fun kind of retro-ish food, and you know us, and we have prizes. We have a nice little treat for everybody who is coming to the party. So put those on your calendar. Hope you can join us. If not, pop in and see what's happening, because it's just crazy. And like I said, tune in Thursday, 24 Days of SWAK starts. Get ready. It's going to be fun. Bye, y'all.